I love Siargao!
Hey, what's up mga carp? It's me again, your carp Carto. Welcome back to my channel, Virtue. In today's video, we're sharing a cut version of our original Siargao Land Tour complete itinerary vlog from YouTube. The next day, day 2, marked the start of our actual land tour in Siargao, a combination of the south and north. We book our tour package with Siargao Explorer. First up, Coconut Plantation Viewpoint, a breathtaking spot in Siargao known for its endless stretch of the Palm Tree Road. It is one of the island's more scenic viewpoints and a perfect place for photos. Next up, Maasin Coconut Road, a scenic stretch lined with towering coconut trees, one of Siargao's most iconic and Instagram-worthy. The view was beautifully captured by a drone thanks to Miss Sophia of Siargao Explorer. Next up, Maasin River. Environmental fee is 30 pesos per person.
I love Siargao!
Boat rental costs 600 pesos per boat, good for up to 3 persons. Drone shots, photos, and videos are also available for 400 pesos. Oh, by the way, the boat ride from Maasin River to Secret Lagoon takes approximately 30 minutes. Thank you for watching mga ka-earth, mga ka-earn. This is your ka-earth Benton, your small YouTuber, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and stay safe always mga ka-earth, mga ka-earn.